Among our CES adventures last week, we ran into the team from Tactigon, which is a wearable gesture controller, which uses AI to train and detect specific motions. For example, here's one that had been trained by their team member, and it also worked pretty well for me when I gave it a go.
Robotic arm, so with simple gestures, I can command the robot, because before coming here to the exhibition, we taught the robot through a gesture. So if I do a circle, he knows where to go.
Cool! Everybody loves robot arms, and I am no exception. Stay tuned for more coolness from CES.